Tamara, which book did you choose?
The Witches.
The Witches. What's The Witches about?
It's about this boy. I forgot his name, but he lives with his grandma because his dad and mom died. And he likes, so every night before he goes to bed, his grandma tells him about witches. And one day, there's that thing that happens, and they go in a hotel, I think, and then the little boy, he goes around and he hears in the big multi-purpose hall there's people talking. So then he tries to get in the multi-purpose hall. So when he gets in there, he hides behind the curtain and he sees a mouse and he starts to train mouse and things like that. And then he hears the witches talking and the big plan. And his grandma told him that there's this big witch that is in charge of all the witches. So he hears the witch talking and the secret potion that they have. So he wants to go steal it so that he doesn't transform everybody in witches. And in the night he hears the witch talking, so he tries to take the mouse and get him to go to the room downstairs to get the potion. So he tries and they get it. But what happened is that when they go to the restaurant, the witches had like the double same thing as the potion, and he puts it in the food. So then he tries to transform himself into a mouse to get the potion, and then he gets the potion, and then nobody gets transformed into witch.
What's your favorite part of the book?
My favorite part is when he's supposed to go in and take the potion with the chef in the restaurant, because it's so like intense and you don't know what's going to happen.
Okay, and the book is banned because of all of the magic in it. Do you agree or disagree with banning the book for magic?
Disagree, because in real life you don't have magic, so like it doesn't have to be banned.
Good, thank you.